A series of bombshell leaks, component factory orders, and internal firmware tracking logs have blown the lid clean off Apple's most ambitious hardware project to date, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is not just a routine yearly update, a simple camera refresh, or a basic cosmetic redesign. Apple is quietly preparing to drop an absolute powerhouse built on architectural breakthroughs that were considered impossible just a couple of years ago. We are talking about a total engineering transformation designed to permanently bridge the gap between pocket devices and professional-grade desktop computing. For the past several years, the smartphone landscape has been locked in a highly predictable cycle. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Every major manufacturer followed the exact same formula. Slightly slimmer bezels, minor boosts to processing speed, a new color option, and heavily relying on post-processing software to make photos look better. True, physical hardware innovation had hit a massive wall, leaving consumers feeling like they were buying the same basic phone over and over again. But behind closed doors, Apple's leadership realized that a safe, evolutionary upgrade would no longer cut it. With the explosion of intense, localized artificial intelligence and the demand for absolute raw performance, Apple decided to throw out the old playbook. The concrete engineering intelligence slipping past their strict security protocols paints a picture of a hardware leap so radical that it has sent shockwaves through competitors like Samsung and Google. To understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is causing absolute panic among competing tech companies, we have to look directly at the monumental technological shift happening at the core of the device. The debut of the A20 Pro chip. This is the world's very first consumer processor built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer manufacturing process. To put that in perspective, shrinking transistors down to this microscopic scale is an incredibly complex engineering feat that costs billions of dollars in development. Apple is reportedly paying astronomical premiums to secure these ultra-dense wafers because they mark the end of traditional silicon physics. The A20 Pro does not just offer a standard speed bump. It introduces a completely new gate-all-around transistor architecture. This design wraps the channel of each transistor entirely, completely eliminating electricity leakage, dropping heat generation to historic lows, and delivering a staggering 30% increase in pure energy efficiency alongside a massive 15% boost in raw processing power. But the real secret weapon driving the A20 Pro chip is a revolutionary packaging technology known as wafer-level multi-chip module design. For the first time in smartphone history, Apple is integrating the system RAM directly onto the exact same wafer as the CPU, the GPU, and the ultra-advanced neural engine. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is breaking all previous boundaries by packing a massive 16 gigabytes of ultra-high-speed RAM. This matches the memory capacity of premium, pro-tier laptops and represents an incredible jump from older mobile standards. By placing this massive pool of memory directly on the silicon die, the physical distance data has to travel drops to near zero. This completely shatters traditional mobile bottlenecks, drastically reduces latency, and unlocks data transfer speeds that allow the phone to handle heavy computational tasks instantly. This jaw-dropping architecture is designed specifically to serve as the ultimate local sandbox for next-generation, on-device artificial intelligence. Apple is moving completely away from cloud-based processing, where your personal data has to be sent to a distant server to get an answer. The hyper-advanced neural engine inside the A20 Pro chip allows the phone to process incredibly massive language models, real-time voice transcriptions,